So you want to be a martial artist? Well done, because that's where this journey begins. Now we all have our different reasons for starting, but what's more important than your reason for beginning will be your reason to keep going when the novelty wears off and it's still hard work to be done. See, in the beginning, you can see your goals so clearly, but what you don't see is the path which lays in between you and that glistening goal of yours. And how could you? You've never walked this path before. Now for the few amongst you who can go beyond comfort and break the walls of self-limitation, an incredible journey lays ahead. One which will test you physically and mentally, make you feel good, make you feel bad, make you question yourself, and one which has the potential to make you more than you are, or to experience more of yourself than you can currently see. Initially, the driving force which surround your goal are often external, meaning that you want to be able to demonstrate your new skills in front of someone else, be it a potential opponent, or for the praise of your peers and loved ones. But the energy that comes from this sort of driver are often short-lived, because no one praises the workhorse while he's doing the hard miles. Praise is reserved for when you've crossed the finish line first. But in martial arts, in real martial arts, there is no finish line. And this means that the thoughts that surround and drive you toward your goal must become internal motivations instead of external requirements. That doesn't mean that your goal has to change. In fact, it doesn't mean anything has to change at all. It's your journey. Go live it. But things have a funny habit of lasting shorter on the outside than they do on the inside. So if you want to see this journey through, you may need to go within, or you might find yourself going without. And now the good stuff, of which you'll find many depending on which direction you choose to take. You see, some people want to become a championship fighter. Others want to feel safe on the street. Many just want to be active in an interesting way, stimulate the mind and body at the same time. And yes, there are those who are looking for some kind of spiritual experience through the martial arts. Well, as with anything, we will always receive exactly what we earn and what's real. And if we're prepared to do the honest work, I'm sure you'll receive a version of the image that you're holding in your mind, if you can work outside the realm of comfort for long enough to bring about lasting change. To conclude, we martial artists, you and I, have found something profoundly special here, regardless of what martial art we do. We have found something that most people probably think is just about punching and kicking. And I must admit, I do love that part of it. I really do. But it's a bit of a shame that they never really get to see themselves through the mirror which cannot be deceived. We call that mirror martial arts.